Good day, everybody. For those of you the few that would recognize that rock I was pointing at, that's where I actually totaled my Sea-Doo a couple years ago and cost me a fortune to fix. But I'm back here again, just part of my travels. Just wanted to do a quick intro video to this series. What happened was we bought a motorhome, wanted to explore a bit more of Ontario, get further up to Thunder Bay a few more times. So we ended up vlogging a whole series of it, day by day. Now, I'm looking for your guys' pointers. Obviously, I'm new to the motorhome when it comes to this series. A lot has gone wrong with the motorhome, with leaks and everything else, electrical or whatnot. But don't worry, after the series, there's a review video where we go over some of the things that went wrong, what we did to fix them, and where we are now. But I'm always looking for your pointers. Now, with this docuseries, I think it's 14 or 15 parts, including the review. Some episodes are crazy exciting. We saw some crazy stuff, caught some fish, everything. Other episodes are more just travel, but if I chose not to record them or to post them, then really not a full documentary of the trip, right? So it was a 2-week trip. Spoiler, we go again later in the series, in the season, and we've gone on a few other ones after this trip as well. But it's fall now, and I'm just on my way back from another Thunder Bay trip. More to come on that, several posts later. But yeah, so right now I'm just at Eagle Lake, enjoying the last of September here as we roll into October and slowly start shutting down the season. I think all the parks close by the 11th, so running out of time, guys, running out of times. But either way, enjoy the series, and please leave comments, tips, call me an idiot, call me smart, do whatever you want. Just leave some feedback, help me on the next ones, and hopefully there's a lot more of these to come. I know there's some more this year, but we'll see you on the next one.